everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today I'm going to be doing 6 patterns on my bucket list. I've not been tagged, but anybody who watches this, if they want to take part, then just have a go. Share with us what your 6 patterns are on your bucket list. I might surprise you with some that are on mine, but I've got 3 crochet patterns that I want to do on my bucket list and 3 knitted. So the first ones I'm going to go through are the crochet ones. And this is a pattern I've had for many years, and I used to collect patterns, whether they were knitted or crochet, but the crochet ones at one time I bought them and I'm thinking, will I ever get a chance to do it? So, but this one is a serdar pattern and I've had it for quite a few years, but I really like the design and how feminine it looks. So that's number 1. Number 2 is by Joanna Lindell, and I believe I got this from off Ravelry. All the links to the patterns except for this one, I can put the link to the serdar website for this one, but I don't know whether you'll be able to get your hands on it. But the next one, as I said, is from Joanna Lindell, and Dana from Triple C Crochet showed this pattern, and as soon as I saw it, I wanted to do it. It's called the Lost in Time, and it's a shawl, but oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I just need to go through and see if there is an actual pattern. It's actual big, but it's really really well laid out, the pattern. Obviously I can't show you because you know of but it's in US terminology, but isn't that just gorgeous? So that's my second one. And the third one, I hope this is the third one. Hold on. The third one is again from Ravelry, and I've always loved these mandala cardigans, and this was a free pattern, and I'll put the link below. And it's by a lady called Lila Bjorn, and it is absolutely stunning, and she uses the whale sheepier's whale yarn. But can you see, isn't that just, I have wanted to make one of them for I can't tell you how long, and it's just a beautiful pattern, and she goes into great detail of how to do it, the instructions, and you know, really good diagrams, and which is brilliant, and I can't wait to have a go with this one. So oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Right, the knitting, I decided this year that I really do want to do some knitting as well as my crocheting. So I plan to do at least 1 knitted project every 2 months. I'm trying to finish off what I've got this month, and I'm so excited to make a start next month on one of the shawls. So the first one, I actually got this from Knit Picks, and I can put the link below, and it's called Lume, and it's by Susanna Icy, and that, look at the intricacy on that. Isn't that going to be gorgeous? And it's, there's the pattern. Isn't it just stunning? Absolutely stunning. I cannot wait. And there's beading. So Gina, if you're watching this, I'm going to need your help in how to knit with beads. I've ordered some. I'm waiting for them to arrive. So I just absolutely love this. Love, 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 love it. So that's number one. Number two, now my friend Kim, look at these. My friend Kim over in Canada made these socks, and she rang me because she didn't quite understand the pattern. And when she showed me the pattern and then she showed me the finished socks, I was like, oh my word, I need to make them socks. You know, the 50 odd years I've been knitting, I have never ever made socks. So this is going to be a challenge for me. So Kim, be prepared for me to be mithering you on how to make these socks. And they're called Butterfly Kisses socks, and they're by a K Litton, and I got them off the Crazy Cat, I believe on YouTube she's called the Crazy Sock Lady. And but I just absolutely saw them and I fell in love. Now who would think me making socks? So we'll see how I get on, but I can't remember where I bought this now. It might have been Etsy actually. I'll have to go. But all the links to these patterns I will have in the description box below, and I'm so excited to make a start. And last but not least, I think you remember me by showing you this book in my lives. I've shown you in Ursula's lives, and I've shown, I just love this book. And the one that I absolutely fell in love with is called Valencia. And again, I'll put the description to this book below, and that is the pattern. Isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it. And whoops, and there it is there. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I've got the yarn for this that I'm going to be making, and I can't wait to start. So that is my 6 bucket list patterns. So there's 3 of crochet and 3 of knit. So we'll see how I get on with completing these on my bucket list. It'll be interesting to see, won't it? As I said in the beginning of this video, if you want to take part and there's 6 patterns that you just really want to do, please make a video, share with your friends and hashtag me in it. That would be brilliant, so I can have a look. As I said, I've not put anybody down, but as I say, all the links to these patterns will be in the description box below. Please like, share and leave a comment, and I will see you all again real soon. Stay safe, be kind, and bye for now.